How to remove Bixby from your power button or Bixby. You can see Bixby is enabled. How to completely remove or disable Bixby. Volume down and power button press and hold. Then you can see side button setting. Go to side button. Now select it as power off phone. Now my side button is not working for Bixby. Now the Bixby. Now disable this voice option. For that, open your setting and under setting just search here Bixby. Then you can see the Bixby option. Press on Bixby. Now you can see voice registration. First of all, press on off and delete all voice. Now Bixby, nothing. If you press the power button, no Bixby is comes here. That's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.